Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So lately I've been posting a bunch of Among Us videos, so I decided that I would post a Minecraft video. So today we are going to be going over how to install mods, and including with that I'm going to be showing you how to install Optifine. And since I'm showing you both of these things, I'm also going to be showing you how to use Optifine with Forge, which is the way we're going to be installing mods. If you quickly just want to be able to do this, I have a bunch of steps in the description with links on where to go, so you can just do that. But a heads up, you need to be on Java edition of Minecraft to be able to do these mods. And if you have that, then you're ready to go. Ouch. Let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, I'm on my desktop right now, so of course the next thing you're going to have to do is go on your default browser. I use Google Chrome because I find it easy to use. And I'm going to put down the links in the description, but the first thing you want to do if you just want to install mods is go to Forge. If you do know something about mods, there is two ways you can have mods, with Forge and with Fabric. In this video, I'm going to be going over Forge because that's what I know, that's what I'm used to. But if you guys do want to see me try and install Fabric and do a tutorial for you guys, I will gladly do so. But other than that, let's just get right into this. So right here is a list of all the versions of Forge, and if you don't see a version, your specific version, then you can just click on one of the numbers and then it'll show 1.15, 1.15.1, 1.15.2, and so on. So if you want to have Forge for 1.16.4, then you're going to just go over here, and either you're going to want to click on download latest or download recommended. Whichever version is higher, so this one is higher, this is the one that you want to install. So you're going to be clicking installer right here, and it's going to take you to this link. Now guys, please do not click on anything. I know this seems sketchy, but all you have to do is just wait for this thing, skip button, to pop up, and once you press skip, Forge will download. And this is gonna ask you that if you want to keep this file, you do. And it does say that this can harm your computer, but it won't. Believe me guys, I've done this before. So you're gonna want to press keep. Alright. And now I'm going to go to my files, downloads, Forge installer. So once you click this, you're going to want to do install client and then press OK. So just give it a little bit and it will download. There we go. So now if I go over to the Minecraft launcher, I will have Forge 1.16.4, the version 35.1.3, which is what you guys saw on the Forge website. So now we have Forge installed. I already had Forge installed, but I believe I just updated it. So yeah. Now here's the part where you guys install the mods, and this step is really simple. You just have to go to curseforge.com, and then if you do not put in this and just go to curseforge.com, you're going to want to click on Minecraft, and then it automatically takes you to mod packs. You do not want to be installing mod packs because basically mod packs are just a bunch of mods put together in one pack. So if you do want to have a pack or install it, you can. They don't always work. If you do want to use a mod pack, then I'd highly recommend using the Twitch launcher. If you guys want a separate video on that, I will gladly make it upon request. So you click on mods, and this website is not just for mods and mod packs. There's also plugins, there's add-ons and resource packs and worlds, and this is just a great place to get a bunch of things related to Minecraft or some other games. There was some stuff for League of Legends, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably wrong, but whatever. So, now that you're on mods, what you're going to want to do is go to this little bar right here and click on Forge, because we're using Forge right now. You do not want to click on, oops, my apologies. You do not want to click on Fabric, because Fabric does not work with Forge. That's a different installer, like I said previously. And just because it says 1.16.4 doesn't mean it's Forge. So you have to be careful. I'd recommend just going to game version Forge and then scrolling down until you find something. And so once you found something you like, for example, I want to download Journey Map because it's a cool map or something. If I go to Files, if it has something for 1.16.4, then I can download it. If not, then it's not compatible. And this mod is not compatible. So I'm gonna go back and let's say I want to download Craft Tweaker. Files. They do have a version for 1.16.4. Excuse all of these ads. You will be seeing them up, but this is just website nonprofit. Like, they don't ask you to pay anything. So I guess they just have these ads up to gain a little bit of extra money. So the reason I keep going to Files and not just downloading right here, because this version is automatically set by the developer, and sometimes that version is not the one you want. So I'd always recommend going to Files, and even if the top one or the one you want to install is the one up here, I'd still recommend doing it, so you save yourself some time if you mess up. So then you're going to want to click on this button right here, this download, not this anvil. There you go. And now it's going to wait for 5 seconds and then it will download. It's going to do the same thing as Forge did. It's going to say this can harm computer. You're just going to want to keep it. Now, you're going to want to go to your files, exit, and you're going to want to go to your downloads and take out the mod that you want to put in. So next what you want to do is click on this little search bar right here. Alright, so where quick access is, you just want to click somewhere in between this white space. It's going to highlight, you're going to press delete, then you're going to type in %appdata, and it's already coming up because I've done this many times. And then you're going to want to locate Minecraft, and you're going to want to go to mods. Now, I already have some mods here that I use. If you guys have saw my mini-map, if you do not have this mods folder, don't worry. That's not a problem. All you have to do is just right-click, and then make new, make it folder, then rename it to mods. And make sure nothing is capitalized, make it just like as it is right here. And then you're gonna put your mod inside, close out, and then load up Minecraft Forge. So since we are playing on Forge, Minecraft does take a little bit longer to load up. However, I have a pretty decent device, so it doesn't take too long. There we go. Alright, we are inside of Minecraft, and the mod did work. So if you get an error that says this mod is not compatible, then either the version you're using of Forge is too old or it's too new. And so basically, if you really want to use a mod, then just switch over to the Forge version that the mod is on. So let's say a mod is for only works on 1.12.2, so you'll just have to download Forge 1.12.2. And if you want to check the mods you have installed, you can go ahead and just go down here. Now, if you know what optifine is, it's something really useful for low-end devices that you want to run Minecraft on, because it has many video settings that really do help your device. So either they're just more settings to make your game look better, or they're just more settings to make the game more playable. So I'm not going to go into these settings or whatever, because that could be for a different video. Let me guys know. So I already have optifine installed, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to install optifine with Forge. And then I'll show you how you install it by itself. So you're going to want to go to optifine.net/downloads. I'll leave the link in the description. You want to click on show all versions. then go over to the version you want to download of Optifine, and if you want, you can press more to find a specific version or more versions, because there are some older versions for 1.15.2 and there's a newer one. And then once you find one that you want, you're just going to want to click mirror, so it directly takes you here. So right here. And this is going to be Optifine 1.16.4. Download it, press keep, and this thing is going to pop up. It's going to be a random ad or tab. You want to exit. And now, what you're going to want to do is take your... Oh, I guess it didn't finish downloading. My apologies. Let me go back over to Optifine. Mirror, download, keep. Alright. Now, if you haven't messed up like me, you will find Optifine to be here, which it is not. Well, I guess I'll just use this file. But basically, this is a 1.12 Optifine file. I don't know what's happening to my Optifine. I guess it's just not loading up for me. But you should get yours in your downloads. You're going to want to take it and drag it over to your desktop, like here. And then going to go back to your files, and then type in appdata once again. Go to Minecraft, go to mods, and put it in there. And now you're going to want to open it. And you're going to just have to click a bunch of buttons to say okay, okay. And if it doesn't work, then it probably is going to say, oh, you haven't played the Minecraft version. So if you're downloading Optifine 1.16.4 and it brings up an error like, oh, you have to play the normal version, it means you just have to load up normal Minecraft on that version. So let's say this Forge isn't working, it might say that. So I'm going to have to go to latest release, press play, and I can just load up and then quit, and then it should install correctly. Now, if you just want to have Optifine by itself, not with Forge, then you just have to open it normally, not drag it anywhere, and then it'll install, and you shall get it down in this little taskbar right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want any other tutorials on how to do some stuff. But other than that, I'll see you guys all later, and peace out.